Hey everybody, this is Pete with Drainage Technology Solutions, also known as Hydroblocks West. We're doing something a little bit different today because we're not using Hydroblocks. We couldn't do any drainage on the outside of this wall because there's just a really steep hill. There's no access, so no exterior drainage was possible. So we had to do the drainage on the inside. So here you have the footer, and what we did was, I'm sorry for not doing the video before we covered up the pipe, but what we did was we broke out and cut and broke out the concrete, coming out about 14 inches from the footer. Then we dug down about 14 inches to get well below the footer, and because there's water coming in through here and then across the floor. So this is all going to be living space. And so the pipe is down about 9 inches below grade. It's going to be about 6 to 9 inches below grade, and we have it sloped at greater than a 2% grade going into the sump basin over here. And then same back here. You can't see that too well, but we're going to have the same scenario. So we have pipe coming in here into the sump basin, right? And then this dimple board is what's used, and that's going to be installed right up against the footer, and it's going to then come into the trench. And so what is going to happen is any water intrusion that happens and comes down this face, it's going to flow through the channels in the dimples, go into the trench, hit the pipe below, which is sloped into the sump basin, and then the sump pump will be discharged out that wall. And so that's it. So Drainage Technology Solutions, we typically do Hydroblocks-based drainage systems, but in this case, it was a little bit different scenario. But this is going to be a fantastic solution. And that is it. For more information, go to drainage-technology.com or hydroblockswest.com. Again, drainage-technology.com or hydroblockswest.com. And that's it. From Northern California, it's Pete with Drainage Technology Solutions.